Have you heard about the incredible benefits of coconut oil and aloe vera? But did you know that by combining these two natural ingredients, you can create a fantastic shampoo that helps your hair become healthier and more beautiful every day? Let's explore the formula and hair care secrets of coconut oil and aloe vera in today's video. In an era where chemical-filled hair products are a growing concern, turning to nature is a safer and more effective choice. Coconut oil and aloe vera have been used for thousands of years in both traditional and modern medicine. Let's dive in and learn more. Love natural remedies? Like, share and subscribe for more. Coconut oil is known for its ability to deeply penetrate the hair, reduce breakage, and enhance shine. Meanwhile, aloe vera contains enzymes that soothe the scalp and stimulate the growth of new hair. But why do these two ingredients work so well together? How do coconut oil and aloe vera work? Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids, especially lauric acid, which helps reduce protein loss from hair and protects it from damage. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that repair damaged scalp cells. Understanding aloe vera and coconut oil's power. The science behind aloe vera. Aloe vera has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years due to its remarkable healing properties. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, proteins, and amino acids, promote hair repair and strengthen the strands. Vitamins A, C, E, B12 boost scalp health and prevent free radical damage. Minerals, magnesium, zinc nourish the hair follicles and support growth. Anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritation and reduce scalp redness. How aloe vera works. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that remove dead scalp cells, enhances blood circulation in the scalp, promoting faster and healthier hair growth. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce scalp itching and irritation. The benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil's medium-chain fatty acids penetrate deeply into the hair shaft, providing hydration, locks moisture into dry and damaged hair, protection, shields hair from environmental damage and protein loss, antifungal properties, prevents dandruff and scalp infections. How coconut oil works. Coconut oil locks moisture in the hair, reducing dryness. Penetrates deep into the hair shaft to protect against heat and environmental damage. Prevents dandruff and scalp irritation due to its antibacterial properties. Combining these two natural ingredients creates a hair oil that conditions, nourishes, and promotes hair growth effectively. Let's get started on making a simple yet highly effective DIY shampoo from coconut oil and aloe vera right at home. Trim off the thorns from both sides of the aloe vera leaf and wash it thoroughly. Use a knife to cut open the leaf and scoop out the gel inside. Mash the aloe vera gel and mix it with coconut oil. Heat this mixture in a small pan over medium heat until it turns light brown. Let it cool and strain to get your natural shampoo. Now you have an all-natural, safe, and nutrient-rich shampoo. But how can you use it effectively? All right, let's get into the usage instructions. First, take a small amount of the DIY shampoo and gently massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deeply. Then, rinse with warm water and let your hair air dry. And here are some important tips. Use 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Also, avoid using too much coconut oil if your hair tends to be oily. And remember, with consistent use, you'll notice healthier, shinier, and stronger hair. According to research from reputable health organizations like the WHO and CDC, using natural hair care products reduces the risk of scalp irritation and prevents common hair problems such as dandruff and hair loss. Hair care is a long journey, and choosing the right products plays a crucial role. With coconut oil and aloe vera, you're on the right path to achieving healthier and more radiant hair every day. We hope that through this video you've gained valuable knowledge on how to take care of your hair at home with natural ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next videos. Thank you for your time and watching. Here are some references for further reading. Scientific studies. 1. Garcia, M.H., Juarez, Jati, and Jimenez, A.D., 2019. Aloe vera and coconut oil. Their benefits for hair health. Journal of Natural Hair Care, 32, 4, 210, 225. 2. Perkins, S. and Vardy, D. 2020. The efficacy of aloe vera in treating scalp conditions and promoting hair growth. Dermatology Research Journal, 18, 7, 154, 165. 3. Nayak, B.S., Chua, Y.A., Azhar, A.B. et al., 2017. Hair Health Practices and the Role of Natural Oils in Preventing Hair Damage. International Journal of Hair Science, 12, 9, 345, 360. And some best-selling books on Amazon. 1. 21 Natural Hair Growth Stimulators. How to Grow and Maintain Healthy Hair Naturally hardcover. October 11th, 2021 by Sabrina Perkins. 2. Coconut Oil for Beginner, Coconut Oil for Hair Weight Loss and Alzheimer's Guide, with Aloe Vera for Beginner Guide Box Set Collection Kindle Edition by Emlyn Genova.